Meaning of disintegration.
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 Disintegration. Disintegration refers to the process of breaking something down into small, separate parts or fragments. The result of disintegration is the complete breakdown of the original object or entity, rendering it useless or unrecognizable. In many cases, disintegration is irreversible and can be caused by various factors such as physical force, chemical reactions, or decay over time. The end result may vary depending on the nature of the original object, but it typically involves a loss of structural integrity and coherence, leading to a state of chaos or disorder.